Hello students, this is Ms. Holohan, the principal of Chippewa Middle School, and I wanted to take just a couple minutes to talk to you about a few different items. It is officially winter, it is the month of December, and there's a couple things that I would like to talk with you about. First of all, our theme for the month of December, as you know, is empathy. You've had your lesson on empathy in science class, and as you have learned, empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. And we really want to make sure that we have empathy for others so that we can have a healthy and safe community where each and every student can belong. So we have a lot of rules and procedures in our building, and we have them for a reason. Our rules are based in empathy. For example, AirPods are banned in the building from 7:40 until 2:25. The reason for this is that people wearing AirPods can't hear the adults' directions, there's disconnection, people can receive text messages through their AirPods, their wireless earbuds. We do not allow them from 7:40 until 2:25. We also say that you can't throw snow. The reason is that we don't want people to get hurt. And if you're throwing snow, it can result in wet clothes and creating a mess inside. We don't want students taking videos or pictures during the day. This violates people's privacy. It can cause an increase in aggression, and it makes people unsafe. This is particularly true when there is some sort of conflict. When people take out their phones, it makes things worse. It is not an empathetic decision to take out your phone and film someone. We also want to make sure that we are keeping our hands to ourselves. When we grab people's backpacks, we have the potential to hurt them. If we grab a possession, like take somebody's hat and then run down the hall, if that is not empathetic, it can result in people getting hurt. We want to pick up after ourselves at lunch and in the hallways, because when we leave a mess, it makes our custodians' jobs harder. And we ask students to walk in the hallway because running can result and has resulted in people getting hurt. So, what if you, as a middle school student, forget and break one of our rules? If you make a mistake and break a rule, it is very possible that you have a consequence that fits with that rule. For example, if you have your AirPods out, we will take them from you, and a parent or guardian is going to have to pick them up. If you make a mess or have an issue in the lunchroom, you're going to have a lunch detention or be asked to help clean up. If there's issues with taking videos with your phone, you will lose your right to have your privilege to have your phone during the day. If you are running in the hallways and taking possessions from classmates, you may not be able to be allowed to be in the hallways during passing time. Here's the bottom line, and we've said this many times. We believe that each and every student belongs here, is seen here, will get an excellent education here, and is going to be well cared for here. We all contribute to the culture and climate of this amazing place. So we really do want you to be empathetic towards your classmates and towards the adults who work in this building. Thanks so much and have a great day.